Two characters are standing in front of the yard.
Pig, do you like mushroom? I heard there are a lot of mushrooms in the jungle. Do you want to come there and pick it?
Mushroom? I like them. We go tomorrow?
The next day, while the cat is waiting, the pig is coming bit by bit.
Going to the jungles just to pick some mushroom? But why do you bring a lot of things?
Here in case we need it. If something happens, it's ready to use.
The pig is so tiresome, it's unbelievable. Come on, let's go, it's late. Pig, look, I see a lot of mushrooms over there. I go there to pick them.
Are you okay?
Pig, please, hurry up, help me, it's too deep and slippery. I can't climb out.
Keep the rope and I'll pull you up.
Repairing in advance is never redundant.